Today we are going to make this support pin. Now let's start it. For that you have to first open CATIA, then mechanical design and then part design. Select plane, go on sketch option. Now the dimensions are given. We are just making this to this to this to this to this part. We are not going to make the part upside of this axis because we are going to use revolve command and it's new command for you. So let's make it in the new way. Take profile and just make. Now let's give dimensions to it. This distance is 0.5 and this distance is 1.63. So after going on command constraint 0.5, this one is 1.63 and this one is again 0.5. Now the diameter of this is 0.19 and the diameter of this is 0.25 as it's already shown in figure. Go on constraint, select this to this distance and this given distance is 0.19 divided by 2. Zero 0.25 divided by 2. Now our profile is in green color. It's fully in green color, means our profile is complete. Now it's fully constrained. Now go on exit to workbench. Now we are going to use revolve command. Actually this is shaft command, we can also call it as revolve. So after going on shaft command, here is given first angle which you have to select 360. Selection of sketch is already done. See here is sketch 1, means this our drawn sketch is sketch 1. Now selection of axis, click here and then select axis around which you want to revolve it, and then we are going to take preview and this is right. Okay, see our command is our support pin is ready. Thank you.